Check, check, check. Check, check, check.
Winning,
Win.
grind hard,
Hey.
independent,
Okay.
get money.
Alright, let's jump right in. It's the Cronier CR8. Specs say this has 20 watts of power, which would make it one of the strongest cordless clippers you can get. You know, this the edition with the full LCD display. Goes up to 6,500 RPMs. And you see right here the CR9 without the LCD display. Yeah, let's crack this thing open and see what we got, man. Now, specs do lie. You really can't tell from the specs exactly how much power you got, how much speed you got, till you try it out yourself. So, you will see. It's actually a knockoff of an Andis clipper, an Andis alloy, which was a pretty good clipper, but, they didn't make a cordless. So, this is like the cordless alloy. Comes with a few guards and plug, whatever, the normal. Nothing special. Wish it would have had a USB. They do have an addition with a USB. I'll probably take a look and show you guys that one. A lot slimmer than what I thought. I got this to do a customization. It has a nice wide, broad chest on it. So I want to see what I could do with that. Try to flip it. Make it look real good. Get some designer action going. Let's do a sound check. Okay. Motor sounds nice. I like that. A lot of power. You could tell. You could feel the power. You could hear the power. Lever very clicky. Wait a minute. Let's take a look and see what other brands has the same clipper on AliExpress. I've seen a few of them. Let's click here. Go here. Alright, this is the one we got right now. Cronier joint. Alright, let's scroll down. Because there's a few of them. As you see, this one is the spec say it has 20 watts. That's the main reason why I got this one. The 20 watts of power. Okay, you see, they got some nice joints. Okay, you see, Kemei has the exact same one, and it was one that I seen with Kemei. Let me find it, and it said that it only had 5 watts. So I did not get the Kemei one. Sometimes, you got to take the specs and description into consideration, man. If it say it don't have that many watts of power, see this one says 5 watts. You got to think about it like, I don't want to take a chance, So usually they would say it has more watts than it does have. But this one I could tell the one I got has more than 5 watts. This is another one. I think that's called Hattaker or whatever. This one has like a chrome finish, it looks like. I don't know. From the picture, that's what it looks like. But yeah, this one comes with the USB plug. I didn't get this one because it really didn't specify the power or whatever. And I don't know this brand at all, so I didn't go with this one. But check my background. That's how these clippers gonna look when I'm finished customizing. Be looking out for that video soon. Yeah. I like this blade on here, man. It reminds me of the Andis Master a little bit. It's like that wall taper blade. This one's not like the typical generic blade that comes with it. That's a little more rounded. This one got a little squared off at the top. Yeah, so I like this one. And all in all, this is a good clipper, awesome clipper, a lot of power. I can't wait to customize it and see how it's going to turn out. My only complaint out the box is it's kind of plain, ugly, and does not come with the USB, but it's very solid and well built. All in all, I'm very satisfied with the clipper. I only paid like $20-something for it. This is probably a steal, man, because these are a beast right here. So if you see these on the market, man, go ahead and cop them real quick, ASAP. Thanks for tuning in to me. Like, subscribe, check for that next vid. It's Ray Smitty. Andis, baby.
Wrote messages of finessing these flawed characters. Flows known to cripple the palms of armed carriers. Lex Luger opposite, flexing in Metropolis. Never Megatron, but instead they call him Optimus.